Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Marian Torres. I am 33 years old from the Philippines, but currently working here in Hong Kong. I am married. I have two daughters, age 14 years old and 7 years old. I am working here in Hong Kong for 4 years. My skills is cooking, playing the pets, playing the kids, and my personality is honest, trustworthy, and polite. I prefer to work alone, and I my preferred job is taking care of the kids, taking care of the pets, adults, and cleaning all the household chores, ironing, car washing, gardening, and pet care. Uh, that's all, and thank you. Please check my profile in Helper Library app. Thank you. Bye bye.